Managing deliveries in a warehouse can be a frustrating process for all of those involved, including us forklifts. Running products from the loading bays to their designed shelves in chaotic and crowded warehouses on a daily basis takes up time and stress. This leaves everyone both agitated, frustrated, and confused. Trust me, I know. But what can we do? Well, as with most things in our current age, this can easily be solved with RTLS, real-time locating systems. That's where Synchro comes in. It's the solution for high-intensity warehouse logistics. Using artificial intelligence combined with RTLS, Synchro integrates with a warehouse's management systems to create the optimal workflow within your business, saving time, resources, and costs each day. That way, we can run more missions with fewer forklifts and less time, making things go perfectly each workday. So if you want to create a smart and efficient warehouse, fill out our form at ubiquicom.com/synchro now.